Hello, here are three fun riddles for young children or teens that they can try out, and I wanted to showcase them. So this one is the three switch and one bulb puzzle. Basically, in a room there are three switches, and outside of the room, in another room, is a light bulb, but the person does not know which switch goes to the light bulb. So the question is, with one trip going from this room with the three switches, and then going to the room with the light bulb, how can someone find out in just one trip which of the switches goes to the light bulb? And the person cannot see from the room the light bulb at all, and they cannot go back once they've entered the room with the light bulb. And basically, switch one, switch two, switch three, which one will go to the light bulb? What can you do to find this out? Now, you can pause the video here. Okay, and the solution is to basically turn one on for like 5 or 10 minutes or something, and then after that turn that off and then turn another one on and go to the room. And when you enter the room, you're going to either see the light bulb off, in which case you can feel it, and if it's hot, then you know that it's the first switch, because the switch will make the light bulb heat up when it's been on for a while. If it's on, then you know that it was the second one that you switched on, and if it's off, then you know it's the third one, and if it's cold as well, it's the third one. So that's a really fun, simple puzzle or riddle that young children or teenagers can try, and it's a nice way to think a little differently outside of the box. And speaking of outside the box, this is the next puzzle. Basically, the idea is you have to draw four lines that touch all nine of these, and you cannot lift your pencil, and you have to go in a straight line. And how can you do that? So first, let me show you an incorrect solution. For example, this it uses one, two, three, four, five lines to touch all nine, and you can intersect or cross over or something. That's totally fine. But basically, you have to kind of think outside the box to solve this, and you could do it in five, but the goal is to do it in four. So you can pause the video here before I show the solution. And here, the solution is to basically think outside the box. Literally, you go straight over, then over and outside the box, then down on a diagonal like this, and then back up, or some variation. You can, orient this starting at a different corner. It doesn't matter. But that is how you would solve this, and it's a really simple but clever little puzzle. And lastly, this is a visual one as well. What is the parking lot's number, basically? And you can see 16, 06, 68, 88, 98. And you can pause the video here. And it's just a visual problem. Think about it. Alright, and the solution is that you're looking at it upside down. This is 86, this will be 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. So these are three simple little puzzles that, or riddles that young children or teenagers can try, and I think it's a nice way to engage the mind and, just think outside the box and think visually, think differently. And I hope that they were fun and enjoyable, and please do share them with anyone that might be interested in that.